Hey, it's David Ellington coming to you. Damn it. We'll trim this. Hey, it's David Ellington coming to you live from Seattle, Washington. Behind me is the actual Cascade Mountains. My beautiful wife Ella was able to find us a vacation rental right here near the water. It's just amazing. Well, I wanted to talk to you a couple of things today in our blog session about life insurance. Life insurance is not a fun topic. Nobody likes to talk about it. It is about death. But the one thing that happens is that, especially when you're starting off as a young family, you really need to have the opportunity to not only make sure that your family has a roof over their head in the event that you died, but also that sometimes your income is replaced. So if you're the sole breadwinner, whether you're the husband or the wife, or a domestic partner, you've got to make sure that the other person is going to be taken care of. And life insurance is a very inexpensive way of doing that. Again, life insurance doesn't have to be complicated or expensive. It's a matter of looking at what your needs are, what your time frame is, and what your budget is. And we can help you create a life insurance policy that will fit within those. And so if you would, you can click on Get Started, you can ask for a quote, or you can send me an email at david@pinnacle4.com, and I'll be glad to get back with you. We'll work up a quote for you, and you actually can look to see what it would cost to replace your life insurance, whether it's just on you or whether it's on you and your spouse. If both partners are working, it's usually a great idea to have some insurance on both of you. It could be term or it could be permanent. Now, if you're older, if you're looking into your 60s or 70s, you can also get life insurance. It's called final expense insurance. This is to help take care of, maybe if you have a mortgage, life insurance would be too expensive, but you could do 2 years worth of mortgage payments, and that would really give your family some breathing room. Whether maybe we're in a recession when you passed away, you have the opportunity to give them some time to think about what they want to do and what would be next for them. So consider final expense insurance. It's not just for burial, but it's also for helping that gap time when they're trying to figure out what to do, their mourning, and it just gives them the opportunity to breathe. So think of it as breathing insurance. If you have any questions, again, David@pinnacle4.com. Thank you so much for stopping by and for listening.